Hello guys, welcome to VVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session, we discussed about present tense and past tense, simple past tense and past continuous tense as well. Now today past perfect tense. Then in previous session, I said about past continuous, right? Past continuous tense means, let me explain you again. Past continuous means started in past, at that time continue in past, right? And past perfect tense. Here only, last time I have said one example. If you're done with your graduation, okay, in any interviews they may ask about your what is your qualification, then what we have to answer. Here let me tell you one thing. Here lot of people they say, sir, I completed my graduation, then I have completed my graduation, I had completed my graduation, right? Three things are there here. I completed, I have completed, I had completed. I had completed. What is the difference between these three? First one, I completed, is past tense, simple past. In previous session we discussed, I completed means subject plus V2 is simple past, right? This is, we can use that, means it's completed action is fine. I have completed, present perfect tense, started in past, recently completed, subject plus have or has plus V3, right? Past perfect tense means started in past, completed in past. Here already completed, okay, we are not mentioning any time recently or anything. Here recently completed we are mentioning. I have completed means, I had completed means not recently. Started in past, completed in past. For example, graduation. My graduation I have started in 2009 and completed in 2013. Otherwise started in 2010, completed in 14. Right? Any example if you take, that is past perfect tense. Means started in 10, completed in 14. Both are past. That is called past perfect tense. Okay, let me explain you here with the following grammatical way. Here, past perfect tense means started in past, and completed in past. Completed in past. Right? I have said already about helping verbs. Right? Helping verbs means in present tense helping verbs are is, am, are, have, has. Past tense it has changed to is, am, are changed to was, were, and have has changed to had. In future tense, will, shall, and will have, right? And will be also there. Here, past perfect tense means subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Now let me tell you again here, subjects. Singular, plural. Plural. He, she, it, singulars. And naming words also singulars. Names. Plural. I, we, you, they. For this all subjects, same had in past tense. Same helping verb comes here. I had completed my graduation. He had, she had, it had, we had, you had, they had completed their graduation or my graduation. Okay, your graduation. Like this we can use. Next one, verbs. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Right? Go, went, gone, going, goes. Right? Here, always perfect is there. V3 is common, I said. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, always perfect tense is there. V3 is compulsory, common. Now, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. We, you, he, she, it, they. Had completed or had gone to hometown or gone to Hyderabad. Okay, this is, we can easily write this. I, we, you, he, she, they had gone to Hyderabad. Started already, gone already. That is, understand my point? That is called past perfect tense. Past perfect tense అంటే ఆల్రెడీ గతంలోనే స్టార్ట్ అయింది, గతంలోనే ఎండ్ అయింది. ఎప్పుడో స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఎప్పుడో ఎండ్ అయింది. మీకు రెండు టైమింగ్స్ తెలుసు ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా. స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఎండ్ అయింది ఇన్ పాస్ట్, గతంలో. సో పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్. జనరలీ వీ డోంట్ యూజ్ మచ్ దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో. We don't use much because I completed my graduation, I have completed my graduation, I had completed my graduation. Generally we use I completed my graduation. Otherwise, if you have completed recently, I have completed my graduation. That is also fine. So that's what I can say. I had completed my graduation maximum time, or no need to prefer much. Okay, I can say. Now here, but you must learn 12 tenses. If you learn 12 tenses perfectly, then only you can improve your communication and you can get the difference between the all tenses. Present tense 4 tenses, past tense 4 tenses, and future tense 4 tenses. And in that, again, subtypes are there, 4, 4, 4. What is the difference in which situation we have to use? First you have to understand the situation, don't by heart that. First you have to understand the situation, then only we can continue with that formulas. And don't by heart these formulas also. Just understand, past perfect means, okay, gatanlo start ayindi, gatanlo end ayindi. For that we have to use had. Okay, started in past and completed in past. Okay, both, if you know the timing in past, then we have to use had. Okay, if we have started and recently completed means we have to use have. For singulars has, plural have. Right? Future means will and shall, will have, it will come. Right? So this is about past perfect tense. Okay, now in further video we will let you know about past perfect continuous. It is like same past continuous only, but slight difference is there. I will let you know in the further video. Okay, this is about past perfect tense. Okay, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Okay, next one, past perfect continuous. I will let you know about in further videos. I will let you know about past perfect continuous tense. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.